Hey there, risk managers. Today, let's dive into the world of surety bonds and why your business simply can't afford to ignore them. Surety bonds are like a financial safety net, ensuring that contractual obligations are met and protecting your business from potential financial loss. There are various types of surety bonds tailored to different needs. Contract bonds guarantee the performance of a contract. License and permit bonds ensure that businesses comply with state regulations, and court bonds provide financial assurance in legal settings. Now, why is it crucial to have these bonds audited and triggered by independent risk and insurance consultants? Simple expertise and negotiation power. Consultants like those at DeshCap have the experience to audit your bonds, ensuring they're up to date and compliant. They negotiate with brokers to secure the best protection, compliance, cost, and financing for your business. Think of it as having a guardian angel for your financial security. They work on your behalf, identifying potential gaps and ensuring that you're not overpaying for coverage. This not only saves you money but also provides peace of mind, knowing your business is protected. So don't leave your business exposed to unnecessary risks. Reach out to DeshCap today and let their experts safeguard your financial interests with the right surety bonds. Remember, a well-managed risk is a well-protected business. Invest in surety bonds now and secure the future of your enterprise. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on risk management. Stay safe and see you next time.